Canoe camping at Buckhorn.
Are you situated?
Yes. I thought you asked if I peed. I don't.
Alright, throwing the leg in.
Okay. I can't imagine. No, nothing comes to mind.
I thought I sprayed it, and I'm thinking I didn't, because I know I didn't spray my inner thighs, and oh man, they went there first. Excuse me.
Pirate Ashley's back.
Yeah, she is.
I just had a stupid thought and almost did it. I got sand on my foot.
Yeah.
I was going to hang it over the side and rinse it off.
Try it. It's possible.
Pulling my foot off my pad. I don't want that sand in my boat.
I have faith in you. You could do it.
Camera's pointed the wrong way, B.
It swivels. So easy. How far away are they?
I think I figured out why Chet smashed. All this paddling. Because I do feel like my arms are getting like a little tougher, you know.
It's definitely a workout at times.
Mm-hmm.
Looking back at Dennis, I nearly rolled myself over a couple times. Are we kind of trying to stay closer to shore?
Yep. Because that is obnoxious out there.
Far enough away that the mosquitoes don't come up, and close enough that we can swim.
Yeah. If these wakes get us, right?
Alright. I think this is that interpretive
Canoe trail.
trail. There's something swimming. I think there's a deer swimming across that channel. What?
I asked B if she's seen it.
I didn't see it till after I was cutting this path.
Yeah, and it's over to the other side now.
You see it, Denny?
Yeah, I've seen it.
I scooped up some water because I need it. It's a little thick, but... Was that a sneeze?
Yeah.
Bless you.
It's enough to throw my paddle in the water.
Good thing you got a leash. What am I doing?
I don't know.
Pirate Ashley.
Oh, heron.
Something just jumped right out in front of you.
I think it was just a wave.
Nope, that was a fish.
Okay.
GPS wise, should we go towards the island or should we hug the shore? Do you think?
Hug the shore. Yeah, that's something. There's way too much boat traffic. Is it an SOS?
I don't know. But I kind of looked behind it and was like, oh, they're back there.
Something in front of me again?
Yeah, like right in front of it.
Oh, right there, huh?
Yeah.
No, we're not gonna go full speed ahead right into Ashley?
And why not?
This is where we play capture the flag.
Hey kids, what happened?
My butler turned me around.
Bless you.
Then he's having a little struggle trying to keep up. I noticed he was getting kind of far behind.
And that's, like, not a problem. Tell us to take it easy. As you can see, I'm taking it easy.
Yeah, I noticed.
Well, stop. Like, we ain't out here racing.
Yeah, I'm just non-stop paddling to keep up with you guys. That's why I
Just-
fell so far behind.
yeah,
I have to
just-
stop. That's fine. I know you're not racing. It's just
I can't see shit from wearing
it's
them.
fucking slow today. I just can't seem to get comfortable either. The fucking thing is hot.
The best? Yeah.
Yeah, I was having a little bit of a struggle.
He's just a leisure.
I know, and he's just like, I'm just doing a slow paddle. I don't know what's wrong with you guys.
Just keep paddling, just keep paddling.
Yeah, all we're paddling back there.
Take that. That's stupid.
Right? Iron Asher effect.
When did the sun come out?
Right? Fucking bitch. Well, I don't know how y'all feel about this, but it's 12:30.
No.
What if we head back to where the interpretive canoe trail was, get out at the boat landing, have lunch, paddle back to our site, take a nap in the hammocks.
Now you're talking.
Sure.
But I don't want to.
Yeah, last time we were here in kayaks, and we went from that point over there to that point out there,
Uh-huh.
which puts you pretty far out that way.
I feel like it took us 4 hours.
And
There and back.
we were fighting like 3-foot waves, because not only was there boulders, but there's also like a 15-mile-an-hour wind or some shit like that.
Oh. Yeah, no, that sounds good.
Okay.
That was back where that deer crossed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just curious. Not that I know how to get back there or could pick it out.
I don't even know how much farther we've come since then. I don't know. I am not keeping track of anything today. I did look at my Fitbit and find out I had 2 hours and 47 minutes of sleep. So that's why I'm not keeping track of anything today.
You got less than I did.
Good thing we didn't have freaking sailboats because it would be like fucking this far away Tommy board. Right?
Yeah. Yep.
It's nobody's fault.
I like how you say that, but it's his snoring that woke me up and I could not go back to sleep.
That's why I said it.
I thought you were still talking about me falling in time.
Nope.
No, 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 no.
He doesn't
We're on a
care
chat.
about
It ain't all about me.
Nope, I just figured it'd be the easiest. We already started blaming Chet for the lack of sleep. Let's just continue him being the scapegoat. That was a little kiss for you, baby.
This place definitely needs more dragonflies and bats.
No shit. I mean, you know, chat, to quote REO Speedwagon, take it easy.
Well, quote REO Speedway, keep pushing, keep pushing.
No, that's really REO Speedwagon. You can't do that. That's not as funny.
Wait, take it easy as in REO Speedway?
It's the Eagles.
I think it was today.
Because he can't get his act together.
No, then you're a face setter. You're having a little bit of a struggle. You should be a face setter. That don't mean hammer haul.
Jenny's the slow one today. He's the best window licker. Follow him.
I could just call you a window licker.
Holy crap! Right on either side of me. Like 5 of them. All at once. They must have just been sitting here.
Did I ever tell you that my mom always, if you ask her who sings a song, it's always Tesla?
Tesla?
So that's why I think it's so funny that,
Oh,
I mean, oh, there's other people that do that.
I don't know that you know. I don't know that you ever told me that.
Yep, so anytime you asked her, it was always Tesla. Unless she absolutely, you know, like Rolling Stones or the Beatles.
There's Aaron. There's right there, flying over you.
Yeah, I don't think it. Oh, my camera does not want to get out of the fucking bag. Thank you. Now that I'm sick from turning in circles. Yeah. Chet's the one that gets sick from going in circles, not me. So, I just set my drink down, I look up, and I see that tree moving. But, like, my first thought was it's walking out here. You know, when you catch something and you're not quite sure what you're, and, like, I didn't realize it was hanging over and swaying in the,
Right.
yeah, so, tree walker. Right by Pirate Ashley. Pirate Ashley will protect us from the walking trees. I'm not even gonna try and guess anymore. My answer is I don't know. Final answer.
Pull out your GPS.
It might be. Yeah, I feel like that's it. Come on. Oh no.
No.
Nope. Nope. Sorry. Oh my god. Is that all fucking pollen?
Yep.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Maybe that's campfire smoke.
It's yellow.
Is
Remember the last time we were here in the pine trees?
Yeah. Holy shit.
Welcome to getting face fucked by trees. Pollen coming off the trees over there. Oh yeah.
Well, now when we take our nap in the hammocks, I'm gonna have some nightmares. Nightmares.
You're gonna get raped. Face raped.
Good lord, it needs to stop. It just keeps coming. Just keeps rolling on. The launch, I believe, is up at the end here on the left.
I thought we had to go around the corner.
I don't see it. So it's not on Google.
What?
It is not on Google. Yeah, it's up here on the left. No, we passed it. This is not the trail.
Really?
Really. We passed it. So do we want to just go back to the site and eat lunch?
That breeze feels good.
Yes, it does.
Look at that, we both cut along.
Yeah.
Did we turn it?
No, straight ahead.
Oh, let's stay here.
Yeah, way too fucking busy. I know. Yep. Gotta go around that tree. We're still not far enough.
It's us right in front of us, isn't it?
Yeah, it's great. It's
Straight ahead. That's our tarp.
Yep.
That's not where GPS says we are.
Are we lost?
GPS is telling me we're not here.
But we're here.
GPS says we need to go around one more outcropping.
I know that
And
bucket.
that's how we missed that thing. It's not keeping up.
I know
or
that
something.
bucket is.
Yep.
We passed that bucket
And that,
coming out.
I recognize that point from last night.
Yeah,
That trees
the trees are down.
over in that other campsite.
Yeah, and soon we'll be coming up to where that boat was docked over there, and there's a tent. Like, you got lag. It's loading, Bianca.
Buffering.
That's because it only has trolley and walking and biking and
Right, where is the canoeing and kayak?
Yeah, I get that they want, the voters want to have fun and, but really that guy that was coming right fucking at us.
Yeah, I was watching him. I'm like, is that fucker gonna see us? And he did, and turned a little bit. And I'm waiting. I'm like, is that fucker gonna blast us? And I heard him back off just a little bit, And I was like, okay, well, it's better than nothing.
I was actually on the
I told her, I said it was getting frustrating because the wind picked up, so it's a little more choppy than it was. But
Yep.
them fucking boats, man.
that's why it was really nice to camp here. It's really nice to be right on the water, but the fucking boaters ruin it.
Well, and your mosquito horde, you could have left that home. I was starting to get over hungry is what happened to me. So I almost ended up in the on the beach somewhere.
Stuff in your face.
Yeah. Well, I was trying to find
making
it. I
me
couldn't
fucking
remember
dizzy.
what bag I
And
took.
that doesn't happen to me very often on the water.
And the chop was, it was.
Well, and we're in a lighter craft than like if you're in a regular boat, fishing boat, speedboat, and I imagine you'll feel it more.
Oh yeah.
So this is happening again. Don't maneuver till the last minute, remember?
Yeah, my camera ran out just before we almost had a fucking pretty good collision. Yeah, when you about run into me.
You're gonna have to specify which time, Dennis.
I was going at a really good clip and all of a sudden, holy shit!
Yeah, that's why we can't have nice things.
Good to go. It was wedged in between the two of us.
On purpose this time. Tell me when to stop. Well, tell me when to stop.
I said, hang on.
Yeah, after I turned around and stopped.
Well, I was still
It's empty. little further.
I know. I was just telling you slow.
Okay, but you told me, when I told you to stop, you used the words hang on. So to me, that means when you say hang on, I should stop.
Yes.
So you said hang on, so I stopped. And then you said slow down. Well, I've already stopped. Can't go any slower than
Seemed like cold as it was outside
Every 2-3
sometimes.
weeks.
Yeah. No, I don't think it was that frequent, I'll be honest.
That would have been like a week.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have never washed a jacket.
Even when you use it as also a
Not right.
snot rag?
There's a good chance everything I have is used as a snot rag.
At least once in
I'm
its
just
life.
saying.
Yeah.
Welcome to my world, sister.
I think that just defines our relationship.
No, she's, yeah,
Oh.
you are a snot
You
rag.
shove it that far in, it's gonna come out.
I kept getting fucking dizzy. That's why I went straight to making food because I thought it was just the waves. We went into that little cove when we took a wrong turn and got away from the waves, and I was fine for a little bit, get back out in the waves, and then I'm fucking dizzy again. Like, what the fuck is going on?
You know that I love food. We never ever. If you want to stop for food, I am like never gonna say no.
Well, that's, I think part of it, he wasn't sure what the problem was,
I
you
knew
know?
I was hungry, but I usually don't,
You don't-
unless
yeah.
I'm like starving myself, then I'll get hungry.
You'll get like that.
I'll
Like
get
that.
I'll get dizzy.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, because
But-
he usually doesn't. He cannot eat all fucking day. We're working out in the yard and stuff. And I'm like, I would be dead laying on the ground by now. I can't do
But-
it. One out of it. You can't bring a jar, you know. Maybe a plastic one, I
There
guess.
are people
but
that have brought, a plastic container of peanut butter. Yeah. Nope, I'm not wasting that fucking space. I'm not carrying it.
yeah, and you're not going to eat that whole jar either.
Like it would be like if somebody brought a whole thing of creamer.
Yeah. Who would do that? You're not going to use it all. You're probably not even going to use half. Yeah, Bianca promised us we could eat at like 12:30. I think her scheduling needs to. Why are you looking away?
Back.
No, you can't help that the GPS was whatever it was
Totally
doing.
fucked up.
Yeah, that's dumb. Oh, better lick that off. That's what she said.
Oh, but when dangle so low.
probably got something to do with it too. I'm pretty whooped already.
Yeah, is it 8 o'clock yet?
Or we have an early bedtime tonight. No, if we take a nap, shit, we could make it all the way through tomorrow. I mean, we live on 4 or 5 hours of sleep when we all get together anyway. So yeah. why not?
Take a nap now. Stay up just before the rain starts. We could have it all packed up and ready to go.
Mm-hmm. Ugh, I didn't think it was supposed to get this hot.
Well, how warm is it?
I'm gonna guess about 90.
Oh. Yeah, it was only supposed to get to 75, so.
77? Feels like 77? They lie, because it feels like 90.
As long as I don't have to pee, maybe we can make it till 10 if we stay up till 4.
I don't know, are you gonna wear your CPAP?
Huh?
I wore it for a while, and then I thought, because it kept falling off my head.
Then you thought, why does everybody else need to sleep?
You keep me awake.
Get earplugs.
It didn't matter.
I was trying to keep the fucking coon out of here. So I figure if I sound like a bear.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Here I thought them two were lying to us, honey.
So what do you think of the lasagna?
Didn't you hear?
I think he's too busy eating to really answer you.
Just gonna nod, don't talk to him right now.
Best meal ever. Alright, so what do you think you like better? The stuff you had last night or this?
Well, this is my new favorite.
I like that, but I don't think I could eat it multiple times in a
The lasagna?
trip. No, the
Oh,
fajita. It was
okay.
there was a lot of spice. It was
Yeah.
spicy. So don't ever buy that one, Bianca. You won't like it.
She doesn't mind spice. It's
I don't like beans, like I mentioned,
Oh,
unless
yeah,
they're
yeah.
green beans. Or lime beans.
that. There's this phobia that they're gonna hide something there that
Oh.
you might end up
It's
liking.
not a phobia, it's true.
Well, it's like, what do they call them? The imposter stuff that's made from vegetables and it's meant to be, you know, it's high
If
protein.
you give me a fucking pizza and the crust is made from goddamn cauliflower,
I've never tried it. I wonder
No.
if
I don't.
Have you tried it?
I like cauliflower, but you had better damn well tell me that is a cauliflower fucking pizza I'm eating.
it. Sure. Now, if we just had some garlic bread.
You know what? Bring some Parmesan cheese.
Ooh, like the little packets you used to get from
Yeah.
Pizza Hut or whatever it is.
Yep.
But you said the chicken and mashed potatoes wasn't very good?
Yeah, chicken.
It's
It's
fantastic.
fucking nasty as shit.
Amazing.
It's the grossest
Really?
fucking thing. I know.
What?
I was eat that
It
fucking
is
Dr. Pepper box.
So plain.
Oh.
It is amazing.
And it sounds. It's a chicken breast that's been freeze dried, like a whole chicken breast. And
Oh, okay. So it's like meant to be on a plate and, you know, like chicken and potatoes.
Yes.
Okay.
But like you make it the same way. You're supposed to,
Eat the potatoes up first or something. No, the chicken up first.
yeah, and then you take the chicken out and you use that water to make the potatoes.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
it
that
is.
sounds
It
a
is
little
the most
complicated.
bland fucking chicken
I know,
you've
it's
ever
amazing.
fucking had in your life. Because imagine boiled chicken. Blech.
Yeah, because you did a lot of the cooking when you were young, didn't you, Bianca?
Yep.
So no one taught you how to use seasoning, right?
Correct.
The only seasoning they had was salt and pepper.
No, pepper. We didn't have salt.
That's the problem right there. After lunch, Bianca and I headed to our hammocks for a nap. Ashley and Denny were going to see about setting up their hammocks for a nap, but couldn't find a spot, so they opted for the tent.
I feel like they're attacking.
Is your thing on?
So seriously,
Yeah.
like going out there, you don't realize how hungry you are, and that's another reason why packing dessert works,
But
because
I'm-
you get that extra additional.
I'm not going to because we have dessert, and I don't want to be so full that I'm ready to go right back in the fucking tent.
You can definitely see, too, that I'm going to need to figure out a way to make sure I drink more water.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. I think you're right.
Wow. A little excited there for your first beer?
I guess. 4 beers, as excited as I am.
You know, that's fine. You can call me a lightweight. I just went over there and sawed half of it. You know,
Yeah, I want to help, but golly.
that's,
Everybody's got different strengths.
yep, different jobs, different
Yeah, and you make that
responsibilities.
election a lot easier than the rest of us do.
Thanks.
He's got a fucking knack for it.
Yep. Check angry, check smash.
My skill set revolves around the chair, the bending of an elbow.
The eating of a meal.
Cheers.
Yeah, bending of an elbow can be your eating, smoking, and drinking.
Right?
Yeah, those are my skills.
See, there's lumberjacks that go back in my family, so it's it's in my Butlers. They had the Butler Lumber Company in Tigerton.
Wisconsin. Really? You get so far?
Yeah. I mean, really, someone's just kicking it in the driveway, but
My arm is. I'm trying to save my strength for getting the fuck out of here.
But that's why it's good for jerky, because that's your nice and salty.
And it's your protein.
God, fuck, I want him to get some of my jerky. My trappers.
Old trapper. Yeah, that's
I
good
love
jerky.
that
It's
fucking
okay, I
jerky.
can't have turkey right now, so I would have been mad.
Oh, see,
I guess I was thinking
I
of
thought
you.
it was all sympathetic.
yeah, he did say that just now. Yeah, really, it was because we didn't want to upset you.
I mean, you can obviously we're doing it. We can do without it, but I could see where it would make the trip just that much better to
I'm having a good time.
not be no more than finishing a meal going. Oh fuck! Is it dinner time yet?
Or, oh, we only have 2 desserts and 4 meals and man.
And where you're feeling like you're rationing yourself, so it's like I can't eat. Yeah. I quite enjoy that hammock stand.
Candy for extra stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to get the tarp figured out.
Yeah. I mean, mine's working.
And my hammock is smaller too, so I would like a better hang in there. I don't know if you were up when I was telling Ashley about. I just feel like it's too tight in there and I'm getting this pressure on the back of my leg. Everything itches.
Honestly, I'm not itchy. I'm annoyed by them. Just annoyed.
If I would have been in your shoes, like when we walked in, I would have freaked the fuck out. Like it would have been a full-on fucking freak out.
Well, I was getting there.
Oh, good. The Whirlpool's back. Yeah.
Well, at least he ain't right here.
As he's getting closer. I gotta do my stretches again.
Your mouth stretches.
Yes.
Let me help you with that. That actually squished all the life out
Thank
of
you
it.
guys very much for this experience.
Thanks for coming out with us.
It's been awesome.
Stick it around.
Right.
Nope, he's heading back out. No, he's just gonna circle around. He's coming around this way, Chet. Right over, he's right over by the bear bag tree. Coming your way, Ash.
I'll hit you with my snack bag.
Come on, you little shit.
Yeah, because I'm sure he didn't just go swimming. He's on the shore there somewhere.
He's down in the cat now. Working his way back Chet's way. Hilarious.
Sunday morning. Bit windy. We'll be hiking it out. Camp. We brought our tent and our hammocks. They just have their tent. That is not the ideal hang for my hammock. I did not mean to bring that tarp. I meant to bring a different one. And that is not a bear bay or hang. That's not a bear hang. We're trying to keep the food away from the raccoons. It's supposed to start raining soon, so I'm going to try and get my hammock packed up. that the mosquitoes have gone away, but they haven't. You stand still long enough, they find you.
With rain set to fall for the next few hours, we headed to the bar for breakfast. Unfortunately, the GoPro did not record the walk out. That's where we dealt with torrential rain, high winds, and a bit of a thunderstorm. I'm having a good time.
Yeah, that's fucking ridiculous. That is the hardest thing to get in my bag.
Try again, my leg is. Yeah.
Sounds like sex noises. Yeah. Yeah.
Is that really what I was doing?
I was going, and you were going, yeah.
Perfect.
And it's on camera.
Oh, even better.
Yeah, can you get all the mosquitoes out of there before I...
Hey, look at that. Did you take the string out of my hat? No. Where the fuck it went? Probably Fred.
Yeah.
That's what he did as his revenge.
Except for Chet was the meanest.
No, you gotta do the, yeah.
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Yeah, are you truly sure?
Yeah.
Because I'm willing to double portage.
It's not a problem. We're swapping. I'm not.
Yeah, I mean, you'll be carrying that stuff out
Yep.
in the
Yeah,
cart,
yeah.
so.
Yeah, it's not a big deal. And I didn't portage anything, like I didn't have any canoe on my shoulders yesterday. I know you say that I took your canoe. I did not take it as far as you think I did.
No, it seems like you did. Y'all want a little bug spray?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Because you'll lick your fingers.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You're a finger licker, not a
Yep.
window licker.
Not all she licks.
Yeah, you all don't have the option either, do you? You have to open all this stuff up tonight when you get home.
Pretty much.
Man, I feel like a jerk. You guys don't sleep.
You should feel like a jerk for only getting me 2 hours and 47 minutes of sleep.
Wait, I was the one that kept you up.
You're not the one that woke me up. Yep. Woohoo. With all that grace.
I thought I missed my turn, that's why I stopped. But I called out first and nobody answered me, so I figured it was safe to turn around.
Oh no, Ashley yelled at you. Keep going.
Yeah,
Okay.
That's why I turned around. I'm like, I think I missed my turn. And nobody answered.
We
so
didn't
I
hear
figured
you.
It's clear to turn, so I turned to look and she's like, keep going.
I need to blow my nose something fierce.